Welcome to my speed market. Today I'm gonna take the derivative of a really strange functions. Let's talk about this. If y equals x to the power of x to the power of x, then I want to find y prime. So in one of my videos I told you if y equals fx to the power of gx, then y prime will be equal g prime x times ln fx plus f prime x times gx divided by fx times fx to the power of gx. In one of my videos, I proved why this equation is correct, and if you don't know why that's correct, you can check that video. I put the link of that video in description. Don't forget to check. And so before I solve these questions, you have to know what is the derivative of x to the power of x. So for the first step, let's talk about the x to the power of x and y prime. So let's do it. In this question, fx equals x and gx, according to this nice one, gx equals x, and f prime x equals 1 and g prime x equals 1. So the final answer y prime will be equal g prime x. I told you that's equal 1, so I don't want to write this. ln x plus f prime x, that's equal 1, times gx, that's equal x, divided by x times x to the power of x, x to the power of x, sorry. So the final answer, I mean a y prime, or y prime will be equal ln x plus 1 times x to the power of x. So our question was finding the derivative of this really nice function, and now in this question fx equals x and gx equals the x to the power of x, right? I mean this one, this is gx and this one is fx. So if you if you take derivative of x, f prime x again equals 1, and if you take derivative of g, I mean g prime x, I told you this one is correct, that's equal ln x plus 1 times x to the power of x. So according to that really nice formula, and I want to write it again for you, the y prime will be equal g prime x times ln fx plus f prime x times gx divided by fx, all of them multiplied by fx to the power of gx. Okay, so it means yes, that was right. So it means y prime will be equal g prime x, and I told you that's equal ln x plus 1 times the x to the power of x times ln fx, ln fx, that was equal x plus plus f prime x, that's equal 1 times gx, that was equal x to the power of x, divided by fx, that was equal x times x to the power of x to the power of x. So let me write better for you. The final answer y prime, I mean derivative of x to the power of x to the power of x power equals ln x plus 1 times x to the power of x times ln x plus x to the power of x minus 1 times x to the power of x to the power of x, and this is the final answer. Let me write for you. Y was equal x to the power of x to the power of x power. Then the y prime will be equal this really nice equation. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.